to the Nail Code. My name is Adia, and I am your online nail educator. I created this space so that I could help you to take your beauty business to the next level. You can find weekly videos posted here on how to level up your beauty services and stop undercharging and overworking. It's just like what I wrote in my book, 25 Things You Need to Know Before Getting a Nail Service. This book is not just for customers. It was created with the nail tech in mind. If you want to take your business from busted to bougie, grab that book in the description box. Hit the like button and subscribe so that we can unlock the nail code.